Good day, Sir Madam. I'm Romelyn Hines, 30 years old, and I have 2 children. I finished the degree Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in Mathematics. Since I am a mother, I know how to taking care of children, and I do household chores like cooking, mopping the floor, washing, ironing, and taking care of children.
Good day to you, Miss Romelyn. How are you today?
I'm fine, Sir Madam.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
A good domestic helper is patient, hardworking, loyal, and honest.
So since you're already a mother, can you tell me how to take care of children?
Taking care of children is to give them food on time, give them vitamins, tutoring them, and treat them as my child.
So what if you commit a mistake? What will you do?
I will say sorry, Sir Madam, and I will promise not to do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir Madam, please hire me because I need this job to help my family financially, and I will promise to finish this 2 years of contract.
Okay, thank you, Miss Romelyn, and good luck.
Thank you, Sir Madam.